What's up, y'all? So I've been, people have been trying to ask me to make a YouTube video, and I don't have like the right space right now to like make one. I tried right now. I'll see what it comes up with. But I went ahead and did one. I was like, well, if I do one, I might as well just do one like on my Boxycharm stuff. So in my Boxycharm, I got some amazing products. I'm gonna show. So I got this palette, which is what's on my eyes, I will X the colors that I've used, and then I used some serum for my face that I got, which is great. And then I used where's it at? This for my lip. It's Dose of Colors, which lashes. So these lashes, and they are Lily lashes, which Lily's lashes are like yas, bitch. Sorry, mom. CEO, that's what they're called. So my coworker, Erica, shout out. She got a lippy from Dose of Colors too on her Boxycharm, and it's called Date Night, and I want it, and she didn't let me have it. She actually put it on in front of me, and it hurt my heart. Ooh, my hair just is not cute, sorry. And but it looked beautiful on her. She's so beautiful. So it's her little baby. I love her baby. Anyway, so this is the finished look. Is that what people do? Because I'm still getting used to it. I don't even know how to function in a video. But anyway, so I tried, and I guess I'll just use this as my first video. I'm new to this, so I'm using my phone. I'll get a camera once I get money. Anyway, so I look this way where I'm looking now, and then I realize my camera's right there, so I gotta turn. I don't know, I'm gonna put something together. It's gonna be very quick, and then this was the outcome, what I went to work with today. And well, I didn't wear this, but I wore this face. Goodbye. I need y'all to just subscribe and like my first video, and share it, and as awkward as it is, come be awkward with me, because that's what we're here for, right? We're all real people at the end of the day, and I just want to do something that I've always loved, and this is my platform that I'm going to start using, and hopefully I get better at it. So shout out to you first people that support me. I heart you. So I decided to do a look with my Boxycharm. I got their moisturizer, eye palette, lashes, brushes, and a lippy from Dose of Colors, which is fabulous, by the way. So I'm going to put the moisturizer on and rub it right on in that skin, girl. Yes, rub a dub. So the next thing I'm going to put is some eye primer on my eyelid. It's Urban Decay. It's my favorite primer. We're just going to tap, blend that all in. And then we'll start putting our eyeshadow on. So I use the orange as a base because I'm going to do a halo effect. And, ooh, no. Anyway, so we're going to blend it, and we are going to, the outer and the inner corners will be a darker color. Orange is that base. So we'll just continue to blend until it looks all good. And then once it's all blended to your liking, then what you're going to do is you're going to get another primer that's kind of a lighter, almost like, or a concealer. And then you're going to put it on the middle of the lid. And so as I put it in the middle of the lid, I create a halo effect. I then put my lighter eyeshadow on, and then I'm going to blend in the corners. We don't want to just pack it on there. We have to blend and make it look natural, or it looks like it all goes together. So now I'm putting on the Lily lashes, the CEO, and what you do is you let them dry, get a little tacky, and then you just stick them on there. There you go.